People who say there is no racism in Canada, let me tell you a story. So on one summer day, me and my friends decided that we're gonna go for a swim. We decided the place, it was Portia Cove. We went there, we were so happy. It was perfect summer day. The water was warm. We went to the washroom to change ourselves and we were talking to each other in Punjabi. That's my language. So we were talking to each other like, this is so perfect, this is so nice. And as we were talking, I heard a voice coming from another washroom. She's like, shut the fuck up. Why are you speaking your own gibberish language? Why are you not speaking in English? This is fucking Canada, speaking English. I'm like, excuse me? Who the fuck are you? We were in shock. Me and my friends, we were like in disbelief. Like, this is Canada. Like, how this thing is happening to us? And I'm like, okay. And she's obviously, she's like blah, 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 blah. I'm like, lady, you know what? Shut the fuck up. I'll meet you outside. I'm not gonna let it pass, because what if this thing happens to my parents and my grandparents and I'm not there? No, I'm gonna teach them lesson. So we went outside. So there was like grandmother, mother and daughter. So all three ladies, and we went close to them and they were like visibly drunk. But I thought, no. Being drunk doesn't give you an excuse to being racist. Me and my friends were like, okay, you know what? What were you saying in the washroom? She's like, yes, you heard it right, you bitch. This is Canada speaking English. This is our country. And I'm like, okay, let me stop you right there. You bitch, this is not your country. Let me give you a history lesson. This is not your country. This land was stolen from indigenous people by your fucking ancestors. We're like, you don't get to say that. You bitch, you don't get to say that. No, because this land was stolen and the language they speak is not English. So you should either speak that language or you shouldn't talk to us about speaking English. You better watch your mouth. And she's like, you Indian people, you dirty, you come here, you ruin our country. And I'm like, we Indian people are the backbone of this country. Not even Indian, all brown people are the backbone of this country. And they were like, this is our area. We're gonna call some guys and we'll beat you up. And I'm like, oh, you try it. Because we are not moving from here. The only people that are moving from here are you three. And they started coming to our faces. They're like, we'll beat you. And I'm like, yeah, we might not be physically strong right now, but we have rage inside. We have rage. You try it. And we started swearing in Punjabi. And they're like, I don't know what you're saying. I'm like, that's the whole fucking point, you bitch. You only know English. We know 3 fucking languages. You shut the fuck up and move from here. Then people started gathering. Some people were filming. Nobody was helping. And then they took off. I still can't believe.